Hey guys, we are doing homographs again. So remember, those are words that sound the same, and they're spelled the same, but they have different meanings, and they also might be sounding different when you read them out loud, depending what the sentence says. So you are going to need to get with a partner today. You will need a sentence sheet, paper. Your teacher should have those, and then you'll also need word cards, and you're going to get 5 of those. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a card and you're going to read the word, and then you have to write the two different sentences. So you would go to 1 and 2, and you're going to write one sentence with the first meaning and sound. And then on number 2, you're going to use the same word, but the other sound, maybe if it sounds different, and different meaning of the sentence. Okay. And then after you do 1 and 2, you're going to choose your next word card. And you're going to write a sentence with the word the first way, and then on number 4, you would do it with the next way. You do need to make sure that you read the sentences out loud to make sure that they make sense, but also to practice with using it correctly and pronouncing it the right way. So maybe you and your partner can both write the sentences, but then you take turns reading each other's sentences out loud and see if you can guess the right meaning. So I put the directions over here, and you are going to try and come up with some really awesome sentences using those homographs. All right, guys, we'll go have fun.